Hi guys, and welcome to the Product Village. My name is Nathan Florocker, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of the unique lights from Ulanzi. This is the Ulanzi UA20 air tube light. I love this light here. You know why? Because it's actually, first and foremost, very simple to use. You don't need any power bank. You don't need nothing. You charge it up and you use it. It's so good that I actually used it today. Now, if you look towards the right-hand side, you can actually see that that's what I'm using. Usually, I would have used the Godox SL60, but I'm not using it because I'm using that light. And as you can see, it's doing a fantastic job. All right, enough talking. Let's unbox and let's get to meet this little baby right here. Alrighty, so basically what you have in the box is the air tube light itself. You have a manual and you have a USB-C cable, and then you have a magnet. One thing I love about this magnet is how strong it is. Look at that. The magnet practically lifts up the light. Alrighty, so let's set this up so we see exactly how it works. Alrighty, let's speak about the specs of this light right here. Now, this UA20 is actually a bicolor light, and it runs a Kelvin of 2,700 all the way to 6,500 Kelvin. Before you use it, you need to charge it for at least 2 hours. And once you've done that, you get a run time of roughly about 70 to 75 minutes at full brightness, meaning that if you use it for less, say your brightness is at half the percentage instead of 150, you'll probably be able to use it for a longer period. The design is pretty simple. It's silicone, so meaning, it's waterproof. So you can actually use this in water. Yes, you can actually use this in water. And also part of the design, it has holes and hooks in different places. Like this, for example, this is like one hook. There's another hook here, and then there's another one here likewise. It also has magnets in specific places, meaning you can actually set up the light and hang it somewhere. So you have one here, there's one, there's two, and there's 3 and 4. Right now, right here, right about here, you have the setup. I think you'll be able to see it clear from the top. Now, this is where the sort of like control center is. So here you have the screen. You have how to control the Kelvin, minus and the plus sign. And then also you can control the brightness from the top. Here is where you charge. And there are only 2 ways of inflating this. One is you use a blower or you blow it yourself. So I think we're gonna have to use the second option, which is to blow it. So let's set it up and let's see how it works. Now I have to warn you, before you blow this thing, make sure you take in a whole lot of air. Otherwise you're gonna be coughing. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we have it. Good, now it's fully blown. Good, so now we can actually attach the magnet easily. Look at that, it just sits easily. Same thing for the one here and the next one. So, it's great that it has this feature. Now, when it comes to powering this up, there's a specific way to powering up. If you just hold on to it, it's not going to come on. Now, when you click on it once, it shows the Ulanzi logo. You have to hold on to it again for 3 seconds and then it powers up. Now, to increase, right now, it's at 5,600 Kelvin. Let's push it up to, say, 40%. Let's see. Okay, good. It's on. Let's keep going. There we go. 40%. Woo, boy. Look at that. Let me bring it to the side. See how nice and clean it looks. It's pretty bright. And then I love the fact that you can actually, mess with it. You can turn it around. You can twist it. It can take like different shapes. It's pretty nice. Okay, let's push it down to say 2,700 Kelvin. Ah, there you go. See? It's a bit more warm now. And that's basically everything about this light. I love the fact that it's this simple. It's nothing massive, so you can easily take this. Let me power this down. Good thing is you can take this with you anywhere you go. So it's very easy to use. And with the fact that it has a magnet, you can easily just attach it. In fact, let's actually give it a try. There you go. See? It attaches easily. I think you'll be able to see well from that camera. It attaches very easily, see? Very, very easily to any metallic surface. So you can actually attach this anywhere, top or side, and you do a fantastic job. And I think that's basically it. Now, in terms of pricing, as of today, it goes for $40. And I think that's basically everything about the light. So, of course, to deflate it, you have to open it up again. You have to push this in. If you just press this, it's not going to go down. So you have to hold on to this, push this down, and then usually what I like to do is sort of like fold it. So I fold it this way, fold. Now notice it's still retaining air. With this folded, I now push this down. There you go. And then I roll it back, roll, that's it. No more air. And there you have it. So that's basically everything about the Ulanzi UA20 tube light. Hope you guys like the review. If you guys ever laid your hands on one, please let me know how you used it. I really want to know how creative you get with this light right here. I'm going to be thinking of stuff to do with water. Water. Yes, at least I'm not afraid that I'm going to put it in water and something's going to happen. Nope. All right, guys. I'm going to see you guys on the next review. Ciao.